In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this OPPO. You need to begin by going into Settings. In them, scroll down and click on Privacy section. Then click on App Lock over here and tap on this area. Now select this gray sweater next to App Lock feature, and if you don't have privacy password, tap on Settings in the pop-up. Then click on Use a different password type and select one of those login methods, in my case Pattern. You will use it to close your apps. Now you need to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Finally, you can link your account over here by tapping on this sweater, set up recovery email, and tap on Save, and also answer this security question. If you don't like it, just click on it and tap on one of those. If you don't like any of them, click on the question and create your own by choosing Custom Question. Now save it by selecting Confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. Finally, click on this check mark at the top right corner. Now select all of those sweaters next to all of those apps that you wish to lock. In my case, Chrome. Then click on Home button. So now when I try to access Chrome app, I can see that Pattern is now required. In order to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into the same settings, tap on App Lock, enter your login method and click on the same, now green sweater. You can also disable app lock completely by tapping on this one next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!